Hi, I'm Antonio with Economy Moving and Storage. Today we're going to show you how to fold a pad and how to stack it into a pad stack. Mark's going to give you a demonstration here. Notice the lines are long ways on the pad, folded in half. Do another fold. Then one more time in half. Just make a nice tight fit there. Then when you put it onto the pad pile, you can bring the camera up here. Just put it on so it's all lined up down the side and lined up right down the middle. That way you have a nice pad stack that looks good for the customer. Strap it off. And secure your strap. Make sure it's up out of the way so that way nobody trips on it when you're walking past it. Just get it up and out of the way there. Now you don't have to worry about somebody tripping on it when they're walking by doing the load. That's it.